How much money does a construction worker make? Hi, I'm Giselle, and I have been in the construction industry for the past 10 plus years. And now, the money you would make depends on your skill set, the company you work for, the country that you work in, etc. So, I am actually in the Caribbean, in a country called Trinidad and Tobago, in a third world country. So we make a lot less than someone in a first world country. So for example, someone in the US and Canada can make as much as 16 to 20 US dollars per hour when they're now starting off. That's at the trainee, apprentice or helper level. Someone in my country would make around 3 US dollars as a helper or a trainee, and it could be a little less at times, right? And as you gain more skills and you become, say, an electrician, a welder, a pipe fitter, a plumber, etc., you can make as much as about between 25 and 30 US dollars per hour in the US and Canada. And someone in my country will make around about 6 to 7 US dollars per hour, right? And someone in the oil industry in my country can make about 9, 10, 11 US dollars, because in that industry it's a little more risky, right? And someone who is a construction manager can make about between 38 to 40 US dollars per hour. So you can make an okay salary in the construction industry. But the construction industry is plagued with seasonal work, right, due to weather or availability of jobs, as well as you only get paid based on the days that you work. So if you stay home because you're sick, it's likely that you won't get paid for that day. At least that is what happens in my country, right? Because construction workers aren't part of the what they call the permanent staff. All right, so I want to suggest that you consider something if you go into the construction industry, is have a second income. For example, in a home-based business. Now, I am an electrical engineer, and for most of my work life in the construction industry, I had a home-based business because I needed extra money to do the things I really love to do. Now, so an engineer usually makes more than an electrician, etc. So it doesn't matter what level you are at, right? You'll find that that salary is just enough to do the basic things in your line of work. So if a home-based business interests you, you can click the link or the button below to find out more about what my friends and I are doing. We're doing a pretty simple business that I think you can fit into. So I hope you find good information there, and if you're not interested, that's fine. So thanks for stopping by and looking at my video. Bye.